Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create clean background replacement with natural edges. Open your image in the Photoshop, go to the top menu and select subject. Wait until Photoshop select the main subject. Now select the end mask from the top bar. Use the refine edges brush tool around here. Increase smooth slightly. Reduce feather for clean edges. Press OK. Click add layer mask. Now create a new layer below the subject. Fill it with solid color or gradient. Select the subject mask again. Use a soft black brush to fix edges. Zoom in near shoulders and hair. Reduce brush opacity for realism. Thanks for